Go.
Good morning. My name is Chintan, and I am here to talk about the problem which every one of us is facing. It's near about 12 right now, and it's a busy work day, and we all are starving. But the option available for us is oily food or the Swiggy or Zomato order, which will show up after 45 minutes, and also the cold food. So that's the problem the Nourish Box tries to solve. So yeah, so Mumbai has over 12 million working professionals, and most of them are eating wrong. Not because they want to, because the system fails them every day. Because the food, there is no time for them to cook. Also, the healthy food near offices are either unavailable or unaffordable, and apps like Zomato and Swiggy are overpriced, and also additional prices like surge pricing or more delivery prices. And after all, no one is much more focused about the nutrition value. And also there are local tiffins, but there is no proper app or no hygiene data or no consistency in that. So as survey done by FASOS, which is also our competitor in nutrition food providing. So as survey done by them, so nearly 74% of the people in Mumbai were dissatisfied with their current lunch option. The 68% had subscribed to healthy meal plan but looking for the change, and 81% are willing to pay between 150 to 200 per meal for the nutrition, for good nutrition. So demand is real and the gap is real. So yeah, so in Nourish Box, we have what we provide is we have curated meal plans. Second, also in app we have, after subscription, we have nutrition dashboard, and also the eco-friendly delivery, because the customer and the professional which we are targeting are not only just their health freak but also the environment freak for the good health. So yeah. So the market opportunity currently here is 7.5 billion, which is expected to grow by 3x by 2028, and the whole, this is for the Mumbai, and the whole we can see 12 million plus, but alone Mumbai, the working professionals in the Mumbai is this, and the whole market here is 7.5 million, and available in Mumbai is 12 million plus. So around we can say 20 to 25% opportunities are here only in the Mumbai, and this is the market which we are expecting to grow. And the target zones as we are launching in the Mumbai are main work, more offices located areas like BKC, Andheri, Lower Parel, Powai, Bandra and Thane. So here's what makes us different. First, every meal plan of R is curated by the dietitian with proper calorie and fat content and nutrition given in it. We are not just trying some algorithm to upsell you some biryani or some tasty or something food only. We are also looking for the nutrition. Also, there are various different options for vegetarian, non-vegetarian, vegan in our different packs. So second, also in our nutrition dashboard, user will track their calories, everyday calories, what is targeted for their life or whatever they are looking forward for, and also what is consumed by them through our meals provided. So yeah, so there are four kinds of packages which we will be providing. So first is starter pack for the trial basis, or we can say which, because we need to gather trust first. So which will be weekly 5 days per meal a day, which will cost you around 1000 rupees, around 200 rupees a meal. And professional package will be there of 3500 for monthly 20 days, approx 22 days, because Saturday, Sunday of mostly working days are 22 days. So approx 20 days, 2 meals a day, which will also have a personalized option. Also, then comes the Elite Wellness, monthly 30 days of 6000 per month with 3 meals a day, breakfast, lunch and dinner. And there is also a corporate pack for which is on the basis of employee. Per employee, one time meal at the office, which will cost 3000 per user for the bulk orders. And there will be also dedicated manager, dedicated delivery team and dedicated sales team available for you if you are having a corporate pack. And the additional revenue streams will be corporate B2B bulk deals, premium wellness upsells like protein bars or juice, and also add-on health products, and also the branded merchandise, the protein bars or juice which we will try to sell. We can also have the merchandise with them.
Where will you cook the food?
Cloud kitchen. We will have one.
And how will you deliver?
So we will at first we will tie up with some delivery partners, and once when done with the flow, so we will have our own transport services, and the delivery time, as it is subscription basis, there is no like I am starving and I am ordering, that nothing like that. So our revenue is first the fixed one from the day one, because it's subscription basis. So every day the as I will receive the order by the evening, today evening at 8:30, and your order will be start preparing tomorrow at 7 morning, and you will get the orders at your offices by 10:30 to 11.
So what is the first step now in terms of moving the needle forward? What do you need to do to get your business in action?
Sir,
First step.
Sir. First
This is for each one of you. What is the first step?
First of all, I need funding by which I can have my cloud kitchen plus my team and the expenses for upcoming 6 months.
Okay.
And the advertising.
Okay, how much?
I am here for 40 to 60 lakhs rupees.
Okay.
I
How much is your personal capital that you are investing?
sir, around 10 to 15 lakhs.
Okay, clear. What is the next step?
Sir, it's there in the PPT. Can I?
No. I am asking you, not the PPT. What is the next step? First point is funding. Yeah. What is the next step? Quickly.
Sir, first step for us is seed and validate.
Okay. Second.
Then we will scale and acquire, as I told you, after getting the funding. And third, we will try targeting first in Pune 500 subscribers for the first year. After completing our target of 2000 subscribers in Mumbai, we will move to the next market, which is Pune.